I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Updating your personal information on your Ally bank account is straightforward. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings option in the main menu. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Select personal information. In account settings, find and select the personal information section. This is where you can view and edit your details. Step 4. Update your details. Make the necessary changes to your personal information such as your address or phone number. Be sure to double check for typos. Step 5. Confirm changes. After updating, confirm your changes by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the page. You may receive a confirmation email shortly after. Remember, if you're re-updating your phone number, make sure it is correct to avoid missing important alerts. Happy banking!